Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Runmus gaming headset. Now this is their K1. This is a stereo gaming headset, and the listing actually says it's designed, it says it's a PS4 gaming headset. The funny thing is it's actually a headset that's compatible with Xbox One, PS4, PC, all that stuff. I think they were just trying to market specifically towards the PS4 with this particular listing. So anyways, here's the box. Price on this is $24.75. This is a really inexpensive headset. The reason why I'm picking this up though is because I wanted a stereo headset so that way I could block out all the outside noise around me inside the house whenever I'm doing some gaming. I have a house with 3 children, so it's pretty noisy. This is going to be a really simple unboxing though, because there's not much to it. This is a 1-cord 3.5mm adapter, and it can actually plug into your Xbox One controller directly if you've got one that has that adapter or that plug. Also, you can get the stereo gaming headset adapter. I would recommend picking one of these up because you can actually control the volume. You can shut off the mic, you can mute the mic, you can control the volume of the game, you can control the volume of the people talking as well. So like the people who are in your chat room, by using this as opposed to not being able to do that without it, or having to go into settings or something in order to do it each time. This can be like $60 if you buy this off of Amazon. So quick tip, just buy one of the cheap used copies, or not used copies, but one of the cheap used Xbox One headsets, stereo headsets that has an adapter. Make sure to read the description, make sure it comes with the adapter on it, because most of them are just going to be the earphones themselves. It doesn't matter if they're worn out because really they're cheap. You're going to get something a little bit better. $25, get something quite a bit better, and then you've got the adapter, and you can probably get that on a used listing for the headset for like $19, $20 versus buying it $60 if you just bought the adapter directly. So anyway, back to this. So with that, I'm able to plug this in here, and now I'm going to be able to control the mic. I'm going to be able to mute the microphone. Oh, here we go this way. So I'm going to be able to mute the microphone from here. I'm going to be able to turn up the volume, turn down the volume. I'm going to be able to control player chat, and I'm also going to be able to control game volume all through this. And of course that means I'm going to be able to mute the sound on my TV, and I'll still be able to hear all the game sounds as well as my chats as well. Now this microphone actually had pretty good reviews. Whenever I looked up this listing, it currently has 145 reviews, and it's over like 4.5 stars total, which is really good. So that's why I went with this one in particular. There are a couple others that were a little bit cheaper, though it's really hard to find any of the one plug stereo adapter headsets. Usually they're going to come with the 2 plugs and appear like this. As you can tell, this little adapter cable is here just for that reason, because most of the time you're going to have one for mic and one for speaker. In this case, this one covers both. Anyway, that's pretty much all there is to it. I really like this soft over-the-ear material, so that's why I went with this one. I also like it being adjustable. My head's not super big, but I like to be able to make it just a tiny bit bigger. And the 1-cord adapter that goes in here. The microphone had great reviews, so that's what we're going with today. So any questions, comments, make sure to ask. I'll get to them as soon as we can. There's an instruction booklet, but y'all know we don't ever read this stuff. Who cares? Anyway, I'll let you guys know a little bit more whenever I have a little bit more detailed of a write-up, and I've used it quite a bit. That'll go on Amazon, and any questions, comments, get back to me, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Thanks.